Big Slick here with a quick video about a Wal-mart Great Value brand 24-inch LED fluorescent light replacement bulb. Okay, you might think that I dropped this, but no, actually I opened up the fixture and one of the bulbs was flickering. I didn't know which one. My fixture takes 4 of these, and as you see, this thing actually had exploded. This was the condition it was in when I opened up the fixture. It must have completely shorted, and I mean, it stinks badly of a short, so something inside really burned hard. And whatever happened, it actually created some kind of pop that it took out and broke this glass. And it's pretty intense. Doesn't seem actually very safe. I'm going to put a screenshot of the product from Walmart's website, and I would strongly suggest that you stay clear of this one because honestly it's junk. And I'll show you right here. It does say this is the Great Value Intertech LED replacement lamp. And this thing is just complete garbage. This was 1 year of service. I mean, I'm not sure how many hours a day this was on. Maybe a couple hours a day at the most. And I've actually had trouble with ones previous to this. I had one that only lasted 3 months, but it was flickering, and I was able to exchange that. I still had my sales receipt. Be advised, I would suggest that you stay away from these Wal-mart Great Value LED fluorescent replacements because this was obviously not safe. However, this was designed